Hello, dear viewers. Today I want to show you how to import blocks from one DWG drawing to another. To import blocks, you need to go to View, and then you can see Design Center. So Design Center, this icon, then I'll go to PC, local disk C. I want to look in my desktop. Um, so I'll open drawings. In drawing one, I want to select blocks. Open drawings mean that this drawing is actually open in Autocad. You can see I have S1 here and S2 and also Francis. So I have three drawings, Francis, S1 and S2. All of them are open. Now I'm going to S1 and I want to import blocks from S1. I'm giving it a few minutes to process blocks. Okay, I have so many blocks. I can select holding control to select the block that I want to import. Classic all these table, sitting chair, double sink, double arc, and also okay, that's it. Then I can hit enter. Okay, Okay. Um, Here are my blocks. The one I just dragged them from uh, okay. So again, I will repeat. You go to view, go to design center, and I'll select this one, the SD2. And again, we will repeat the same process. Okay, now I'll select holding control all of these, then hit enter. Right, then you can see all of this, then click OK for this to be imported. Now I can just cancel. Now if I go to insert, you will see we're having this one. Okay, now let's import. You have to import them one by one. View, design center, let me import that one, hit enter. Okay, hit enter, enter. It's for insertion point. Now we go to, I'll see all my available blocks. I can insert that particular block. I can insert this block. Okay. That will be my end there for this video. Please like, share, subscribe for more videos on AutoCAD and structural and civil engineering.